And like like this one here still has color value in it, but it's just really like dropped down and desaturated. But
Some
you see
pigment
here,
makes it a little more difficult.
you see how this dark section isn't just gray, it's actually much closer to this dark area of the person's skin, where the dark value here is, again, more of the skin color, and then it's hitting this kind of darker skin tone value as
that tone on the edges is the skin, is actual person's skin tone.
And this is the type of thing that you will see with water when you place it into an environment that isn't just a white background. And the kind of more you see it, the more noticeable it is. So, you know, you're not going to see it as much on any